Hello again. So now we are going to investigate a problem solving issue from the shop floor, which is about scratches on Blisk. And we have invited our engineer, Florette, in our problem solving meeting. Florette will be with us remotely. Hello, Florette. Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Sorry.
Great. So, Florette, we have received from the shop floor a problem which is about scratches on Blisk out of robot. And this issue is about a Blisk which have scratches on the right side.
Just, Badr, can you please launch the meeting for me to follow you, please?
Yes. Okay, so I launched the meeting for 30 minutes about. And so this scratches came from the shop floor, and we have the image here. We find some scratches on the right side. And we think that it's a quality issue and an urgent one to be investigated and to find the root cause and to kill them to not have recurrence problem. Okay. So before that, we did collect and gather some data from the shop floor about this issue. And we think this issue was elevated from the operator, which is on the assembly on the robot station. We have 15 Blisks, which are the defective today and which cost us 30 kilo euros. And we want to investigate this to get better quality results. So now I propose you to move to the root cause analysis, and with our diagram Ishikawa. We need to investigate our issue, which is the scratches on the Blisk, and we, from the data gathered from the shop floor, again, we think that the dust on the robot, we checked it this morning, and it's very clean, and we don't have dust on this robot. The lack of training, I think also it's not relevant because the operator was respected the work instruction, and he was informed about all the standard, and it's not related also to the raw material. So what do you think, Florette?
I already saw this problem before, and it was due to the robot configuration. Maybe you can go to the 3D of the robot.
Yes.
Okay. And here, in fact, it was due to the configuration of the path which the robot took the part, and it was creating some scratches. So what I would propose you is if you can go back to the Ishikawa diagram. What I would propose you is to maybe to change the robot configuration path. Do you want me to write it, or?
Yes, please. Yes, you can write it.
Yeah, change the robot configuration path. Selection.
Okay.
Machine. Okay. So this would be a first idea. A second one, did you check that the handling pressure isn't too high?
Yes, I did it this morning, and the pressure was right on the specification weighted. So
really, if I were you, I would try to change the robot configuration.
Okay, so you confirm this cause. Okay. So now let's move to our action plan to set the priorities and be sure that we did the right actions and act accordingly. So you take this action, Florette, to change the robot configuration. It's an urgent one to be sure that we kill this root cause and this root cause. And we don't have defect scratches on the Blisk again. Thank you, Florette.
Thank you. Keep me informed about about the results.
Yes.
And I'm available if you need more insights.
Thank you.